Hey guys, what's up? We're out here at the old shop. See, it's my dad's Camaro, and we have some things going on with the Lexus. Yeah, that's all oil. I would assume these cam seals and crank seal, and probably the front oil pump seal and a few other seals, or not gaskets, but seals like silicone, like upper oil pan, stuff like that, is all leaking. It's got a pretty serious oil leak. As you see, it's getting on the belts and then flinging it everywhere. I mean, it's up here too. You can't really see it, but that is actually, yeah, you can fucking see it. Yeah, that's oil. So it's flinging oil all over the place. I gotta fix this like way sooner than later. I've been doing the timing belt off and stuff for a while, and now it's the damn cat footprint right there. Now it's a lot looser than I would want it to be. So, and you can kind of see if you get like super close. And we can't get the fucking, yeah, it's starting to have some marks in it, and then you can see, you know, where a Gates belt, like a regular ass Gates belt, is like $30 for this thing from O'Reilly's. I'm gonna order one, get it done. Also, what I'm gonna do is the upper oil pan seal, which I've done a lot of them on other cars. I know with this car, the oil pan seal is more labor if you're going through like all data and whatnot and want to know car labor, like your work labor. The oil pan, resealing it, is more labor than pulling the engine out. So it's like 8.5 hours. What I plan on doing is, I have an engine hoist, and then I used to have the thing that goes across. That's what you would normally use, but I'm gonna use engine hoist instead. I'll pick the engine up, I'm gonna lower the front cross member, pretty much unbolt it from the engine and its 4 bolting points, let it come down, then pull the oil pan out and then put it back in that way. And you know, while I'm doing that, also do all these up here. Of course, this will come out. I'll probably just go ahead and take the whole radiator out and flush the system, because fuck it. But yeah, I'm a fucking piece of shit's driving by all the goddamn time. I'm gonna have a video on that coming up here soon. Yeah, I mean, I still plan on changing all this out and putting the other motor in here. It's just, right now, I'm trying to get my CDL so I can get back on the road and haul heavier shit. Because I stopped working on cars for a little bit to do that. Well, actually, I stopped being a mechanic. I was working on heavy equipment and big trucks there for a little while. And medium-sized equipment, shit like that. And started my own business, hot shotting. If you've been around through that, you already know. Now I'm trying to get a bigger trailer, CDL, and then if I don't trade my trailer in, buy another truck and have that run. So I'll have 2 trucks. I mean, Jay-Z Garage is a LLC. If you didn't know, we are a real business. I am just not good at business. So, yeah. But, that whole thing happened backing out of a driveway. RIP. But, you know, I want to get a wide body on this thing eventually anyway. Manual trans isn't in it yet because I'm fucking lazy. Like I said, I have too much shit going on. My brain's all over the place. But yeah. I have to do the timing belt, so it can't wait. But I'll be having a video up on that. I do plan on having some more videos on my truck. We gotta put in the CP4 disaster prevention kit, and eventually I'm gonna upgrade CP4 to CP4.2 or that crazy like how CP3 adapter, but I don't think I really need that because I don't care about making big power. The truck makes like, I think 500 horsepower stock and like 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. And now it makes, I mean, I have it on tow tune, it's like 75 horse. So I'm guessing it makes 550 and 1,100 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know, it makes a fucking lot. Pulls out anything that's ever been behind it like it ain't there. So, yeah. Alright, I'm rambling. This is going to be, supposed to be a short video, but, you know. But we